Okay, number 9, we see a piecewise defined function. We have to evaluate this from 0 to 4. In order to get this done, we have to look at where our condition causes the functions to change, which is when x is equal to 2. 2 is right in the middle of our interval from 0 to 4, so we're going to need to break this up. We have one integral, which goes from 0 to our cutoff point, which is 2. Right? So we're taking our low bound to the cutoff point, and when we're from 0 to 2, those are numbers which are less than 2, so we're going to use the 6x minus 2 function. We now have to take care of the second part, the second half if you will, so that's its own separate entity, its own separate integral. We're going to pick up where we left off. So we ended at 2, x equals 2, so we're going to start our new integral at x equals 2. And we're going to be able to use this this higher function. When x is greater than 2, we use the function 10. So we'll have 10 dx. Our upper bound is way over here at 4. We're not interested in anything beyond 4. So this is sort of a 2 for the price of 1 problem. We have to do our integral from 0 to 2 of 6x minus 2 dx, and then we have to add to that the integral from 2 to 4 of 10 dx. So let's go ahead and do that. Starting with this integral right here, 6x minus 2 has an antiderivative of 3x squared minus 2x. And that expression is being evaluated from 0 to 2. The other expression is 10. 10's antiderivative is 10x. This is not being evaluated from 0 to 2, it's being evaluated from 2 to 4. Got to make sure that we have the correct bounds there. Okay, so let's plug in the 0 and the 2 into this right here. So what are we looking at? We have 3 times 2 squared minus 2 times 2. And then we're going to plug in 0. And can you see here in mental math that when we plug in 0, we're going to get 0? Okay, good. Now we add. Now we have 10x. So we do 10 times 4 minus 10 times 2. Okay. And I'll wrap that in parentheses, although because we're adding, it's not a big deal. Okay, so 2 squared is 4. Tripled is 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. Minus 0. Plus, and then we have 40 minus 20. 40 minus 20 is 20. Added to this 8 gives us a final answer of 28.